As an entrepreneurial firm, Artisan's biggest challenge was the inheritance of a patchwork of best practices. We'd often come back from seminars and say, we're going to do it this way, we're going to do it that way. This led to a lot of interdepartmental confusions at times. It led to some frustration. And what MAP did was allow us to get it focused onto one page using one set of standards. So day to day, week to week, month to month, everyone from the president to the junior recruiter knows exactly what they're supposed to be doing and what they're accountable for. This led to an increase of 20% of revenues over last year and allowed us just to become a better company. It also freed me up personally to pursue other interests in my life. I have now become I'm a more effective leader. I sit on several boards of nonprofits, and one of my personal goals was to compete in the Veteran World's Fencing Championships. First, I had to qualify for the team. So having that freedom from my company allowed me the personal freedom to train hard, work hard towards this goal, and so far I will be competing this year.